Okay, hello guys, this is Dhaval, and this is the follow-up video regarding my previous video, which I had the ticking sound from my Duke engine, and the problem has been resolved. What they have done is they have changed the intake of camshaft and the one of the rocker arms. uh, Here are few pictures, and if you can see, the black portion is worn out, and there was a few millimeters gap which was making the sound. So now I will turn on the engine and I will show you that the problem is 90% resolved, and there is significant increase in my pickup and performance. So here it is. So guys, as you have seen, the problem has mostly been resolved, and I'm happy. Thank you for watching. Bye.